it comes with the pressure because you'll find guys like especially on social media like they are doing pretty well on social media. They are doing pretty well, but
Yes.
in reality, no, it's nothing. So I treating myself. I started with this thing actually, these Ponzi scam things. You see, like what is triple MMM and Bit Club network where like you invest more your bitcoins.
Yes.
So these things they work like this. You invest bitcoins and then after a week you get more bitcoins.
Yes.
And then now they start to take you and then you become like an affiliate for them.
Okay.
You need to recruit other people. They must come under you and then you start making more money.
Yeah.
And then after 3 months down the line, they just bam. Their website goes off.
Okay.
And then you're in deep shit because you kept on referring people saying, no, I found this, it's working for me
100%.
online. And
It's a cheat.
Oh, yeah.
Content creators and not traders. If you had to go back and actually ask someone, listen, give me a year statement of your trading history.
Exactly.
Is he going to give it to you in
No,
this
he's
industry?
not.
He's not going to give
He's
it to
not.
you. He's going to give you every excuse,
And also when you request, like, we want to see your live tradings and then, like, we want to see your...
Yeah.
We don't want your bank account, but at least we want to see, like, money coming in, not
Yeah,
those
yeah.
screenshots and edited
Exactly.
things.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. And
Hi there guys, welcome back to another new episode. Today we have Sham over here on my left and we have our guest, Mr. Paul.
Yes.
Perfect. So Mr. Paul, could you perhaps just tell us a bit about yourself and about your trading?
Basically, my name is Paul. I'm from Pretoria. So I started trading while I was still in university. So it was very, very tricky because you need to attend classes and then you need to come back and go to ERC and then start to trade on your own. Like there's no mentors at that time.
yeah.
Yeah, so
So how many years ago was that?
I think it was like 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 years. So I was caught up in a situation where I need to decide whether I must continue with my degree or I must follow the path of school. So it was very, very tricky and it was very hard. I remember my girlfriend when I told her that like, listen, I think now I need to quit with this degree thing. It's not gonna work for me because I really need to know this forex thing.
Yeah.
And then she was like, are you sure? She was so scared, and then fortunately enough, I was selected, and then I went to Singapore with. There was a competition for forex traders, and then I went to Singapore for that competition.
Can I backtrack there? How did your family deal with that?
Yo, my family it was very tough, bro.
Yeah.
Because I told my dad, and my dad was like, "No, you know what? You are on your own because they are old and then they still believe that you must go to school, you must get a job and I'm like, no man, it's not gonna work for me. Like this is what I want. And then he was like, if you become a hobo or a street kid, it's on you. Understand?
I disown you.
And so I was like, no, it's fine. I took a huge risk, but I'm just glad because it paid off in terms of like knowledge and making new friends and making a living actually. Like now I'm just doing my own thing. Like I don't report to anyone.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so getting back, you said you won a competition.
Yeah, so I won a competition and then I went to Singapore and then I met these other friends of mine. Those guys, I think they were from Thailand as well. So we were there and then we started sharing and brainstorming and then they taught me some of the things, especially the strategy of gold and everything. Then when I came back this side, that's when things started bowling. But not as in bowling, like making like 1 million or those insane things that you see like in social media. No, I started to manage my economical needs. Like for instance, paying rent, buying yourself nice things.
100%.
See,
sustaining your lifestyle.
I was just sustaining my life.
Yeah.
And then as time goes by, you increase your risk. Like you learn a lot. And then that's when now I started coming with this vision of like, you know what, I don't want people to struggle in terms of like trading. I'm not gonna teach them.
Yes.
100%.
So what I know, I prefer like you code whatever that you know as like a strategy. You understand?
Right.
And then you're just gonna plug it there, and then it starts working for you.
Right.
So you just need to work smart.
Yeah. Do you have coding background?
No, I don't have, but you can get those coding guys. It depends which one you get. On like MQL5,
Yeah.
you get those guys, and then it's like freelancers, and then you explain to him like what type of strategy you want him to code, and then you pay him, and then you just do some back test, and then if you have any problems, you don't release your funds until you guys reach an agreement and saying he produced like the right thing for you. It's
Okay.
actually easy now.
Yeah, it's also, I mean, it used to be like chicken teeth.
Yeah.
Trying to find a robot or trying to find someone. It was like this big secret or whatever. But I mean, yeah, I think they all never worked. To find a credible person with a robot that wasn't scamming people was hard. Because every second person was a scammer
Yeah,
when
and
it
then
came to the robots.
They'll just say, no, just a robot, it's working and not what.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
instance,
yeah.
like it's even tricky now.
Yeah.
Because think about it. Why would you sell something that's making money for you?
100%.
Here we go.
Why do you want to sell it?
Yeah. So you see, and that's where like now we have our own strategy which we sell to people. Part of being part of the FX Cartel community. Now, some people are not teachable. So we've got a lot of older community members.
Yeah.
They're not technology savvy. So the robot makes better sense for them.
Exactly.
Having that strategy put into a robot, and then they know it's like self-managed. It fires the trade, stop loss, TPs, risk to reward, it closes
Everything
it.
like it has.
That's it, done. Yeah. So from that journey, I mean, but surely there was a transition. Did you start trading yourself?
No, I started trading myself. I started with this thing actually, these Ponzi scam things. You see, like what Triple MMM and Bit Club Network, where like you invest more your bitcoins.
Yes.
So these things they work like this.
Yeah.
You invest bitcoins, and then after a week, you get more bitcoins.
Yes.
And then now they start to take you, and then you become like an affiliate for them.
Okay.
You need to recruit other people. They must come under you, and then you start making more money.
Yeah.
And then after 3 months down the line, they just bam. Their website it goes off. Okay. And then you're in deep shit because you kept on referring people saying, no, I found this, it's working for me
100%.
online. I'm
It's a
making
tiered
money.
system.
Yeah.
So now if
So
I
that's
sign Zishon up, I get a certain percentage from
Yes.
that. He signs. Okay.
And then that's when I was like, this thing is it's just gonna get me in trouble. And then a friend of mine came in from I still remember his name is Ratabil. He came in and I was like, no, dude, you must try this forex thing. I'm like, dude, these things of forex, nothing works online. Up until I sat then and I started reading through and then checking the chats and then checking the risk that will forex maybe one day when I wake up it won't be there. And then only to find out it will always be there, and it's been there.
Yeah.
So I was like, you see now I found something that I must just invest my time on it.
Yeah. So I think the education part, and all of us, we lack the knowledge. We don't have the knowledge when we're getting involved in it, or even we call ourselves traders, but we actually don't know how to trade.
Exactly.
We just jump into it, and then it becomes gambling because we don't want to learn first, but we'd rather do first and then learn.
Sometimes this thing it comes with the pressure because you'll find guys like especially on social media like they are doing pretty well on social media. They are doing pretty well, but in reality, no, it's nothing.
So I think it comes down to our previous podcast that we just shot now, and they are influencers. They're not traders.
Oh yeah.
Content creators and not traders. If you had to go back and actually ask someone, listen, give me a year statement of your trading history.
Exactly.
Is he going to give it to you in this industry? He's not going to give it to you. He's going to give you every excuse,
And also when you request, like, we want to see your live tradings, and then, like, we want to see your...
Yeah.
We don't want your bank account, but at least we want to see, like, money coming in, not screenshots and edited things.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And how did you, from that, doing your trading and doing these Ponzi schemes or tiered systems, how did you transition to where you are now? You've got a community.
Yes, actually, like I had a friend of mine. Then we started going to MQL5 and said, you know what, like let's just strategize and then get a bot, and then on this bot we're gonna give out like a free trial. And then if someone likes it, then that's when you can maybe try to subscribe. You can't actually, we're not selling the bot because you can't have it. It's ours, it's like it's our right because it's our strategy coded there. So what's gonna happen is we have partnership with HFM, and then like if you open an account with HFM, and then we plug you on the bot, and then it trades for you. So it works like this: if you deposit a minimum of like $100, you're gonna make about maybe $50 to $20 a month. That's how the bot's been programmed. You understand? So it's not something that you put $100 and then now you have like 5,000. No. Doesn't work like that, because
I like your mindset.
yeah, because the bot, it also has like a recovery strategy as well. So everything is just set there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the win rate and the success rate?
The win
of it?
rate, I think it's about like 79.
Okay.
79%.
Has it blown any accounts?
No. It hasn't.
Okay.
Like the previous visions, they used to do that, but the ones that we have now, you're just gonna go on a drawdown and then you're gonna come back.
So
rather, instead, there will be like, maybe you can have like 2 months
Yeah.
where you didn't make that 50%, but it's still fighting.
And does it open up multiple pairs, multiple trades, or does it just consist of one pair?
No, it's only one pair. It's
One pair.
only for gold only.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
So is it based on risk management? Because
Yes.
I do believe you have stipulated
Yes,
that.
it has. It has risk
Awesome.
management. That is why I'm saying to you, like, you can't lose that
Yeah.
account.
Yeah.
If you lose that account, we become liable. That we just need to refund you.
Yeah.
That your $100.
And based on our previous podcast,
Yeah.
right?
So
It was based on whether you're learning for educational purposes, trying to get that skill, or even with your scenario with coding, risk management is vital.
yeah.
It's always vital.
It's if you don't have risk management, I don't think you're a trader.
Exactly.
You gotta. But just that these things were. So the bot, if I can understand it, I think maybe it hedges.
No, it doesn't hedge.
It doesn't hedge. Okay.
Actually, it's quite interesting because you see this partner. Every time, if you are aware, gold, I'm just going to give you a bit of the strategy of the bot.
Yeah.
Every time around maybe like 3 o'clock, when you wake up, you found gold, it has made like certain movement.
Yes.
That's where the bot comes in.
Yeah.
So you just wake up, you see that today you made a loss or you made a profit. That's it.
Okay.
Before you can trade your New York and London session, my bot is done. It
Yeah.
is the AM. It works in the AM.
Yes. Well, look, I've been trading a lot of the AM Asia. Personally, like personal trades. I've been trading Asia because I get some good moves there in Asia.
Yes.
Then coming into London and New York. So I might as well trade my Asia and I'm done.
And then you're done.
I'm
That's-
done.
That's
Yeah.
how it works. And you won't see it, it won't even overload like your positions. Just 2 positions a day.
Okay.
If it has
and
to
what's the
recover,
risk to reward ratio? And how much is it risking per trade?
it's gonna depend on your balance, because you need to, if you deposit $100, we need to set it up for you there.
Okay.
Because we're doing all the settings on also
Yeah.
depending on your balance, on your deposit
Okay.
balance.
Right.
Yes.
So on each account, you've got to manually enter
Yes,
it.
yes.
And
I have like a set file, like there's a set file for each balance. Yes.
balance,
Yeah.
$100, $200,
Yes.
and goes on. So this, if I have an HFM account, you link your clients up for free. Is there a
Yes.
charge? Do you charge something for it?
No, I don't charge you. The only thing that maybe you will do, because it's our bot, it's working on behalf of you.
Yeah.
On the profit that the bot makes, you just need to give us like 30%. On the profit, you are not giving us 30% or from your own pocket money. No, from the profit that the bot has made.
Yes.
And that's when you're giving us.
And
the-
how's that determined? Do you have an automatic system that works that out?
No, I don't have it yet, but that's where I come in, because I have an office in Pretoria. I have my employees there. They're the ones that they go through each and every month and check, okay, this account, it has paid or it hasn't. So if it didn't pay, we just switch it off.
Okay.
For now, it's
so,
not yet automated, as in like maybe like copy trading.
Yeah.
So the reason why it's like that is because we don't offer like copy trading. What we do is like we provide like an algorithm, expect like this, like our product, it works on your financial markets on your behalf. That's it.
Yeah. But for me, it's a bit risky, because now I've come in, I've got the account, I've put a big balance on it, I get a good return, and then you don't get paid the percentage, and then yes, the guy's already made the money. He's out.
It's fine. It's like this because we know very well what we have. It's unique, bro. It's like a drug. If I'm selling you this, and then you taste this, and then you see now you like it, you enjoy it, and then you betray me as your dealer. Where you gonna get it? If you go to other dealers there, you're not gonna get my stuff.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Okay. I
So like that's the trust
interesting.
that
I'm
I
trying
have.
to. Yeah.
That's the trust that I have.
unusual.
Because you will go, you're gonna get scammed, and then you'll think, and now how are you gonna come back to me now? You'll be
Yeah.
like, "Ish, you've ruined things, and then how are you gonna come back to me?
Yeah. So you've just ruined your source of income.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, you get weird people out there. You're one of the weird ones.
If it was not working, I was gonna say, I must push, I must get my money, not that. No, because we are calm as a team.
Yes.
We are calm. We know what we are selling to you.
Yeah.
You understand?
No, 100%.
So that's it.
It makes.
And we take pride on our thing. You can check. We have what's this website where they're like commenting with your company and what. You can check on like scam advisors. If you type
Hello Peter. What's that? Is it Hello Peter?
No, you can type scam advisor. It just tells you how long we've been in the game and then the complaints and everything. We've been like, you'll just check because you can't even edit. You can't edit that thing and say, for instance, what's this? The trust pilot.
Yeah.
You can't edit and say maybe like you're getting people that are gonna do like fake comments and everything. No, you can't. If you go to Scam Advisor, you will see those are like a legit and real people.
Yeah, not fake information. Yeah. So we also affiliated with HFM. HFM is our number one broker.
Yes.
That
It is
we
a
use.
good broker.
Yeah. How long have you been with HFM?
I think 4 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
4 years.
And how's the experience been?
No, it's good.
It's overwhelming, eh?
The only part that excites me with these guys, like the withdrawals, I've
immediate,
never had like any issue.
Yeah.
If you made your money, you're gonna get your money. That's it.
Yeah. It's amazing. I've had one of the best experiences, trading for 7 years. And I didn't receive the treatment that I got until I've joined HFM. Treated like a family, firstly. Very welcoming. Their personalized interaction that they have, which no other broker was giving at that time. Open transparency, fast execution, immediate withdrawals.
I started with the HFM, it was hot forex.
Yes. Yeah. Fast executions. And they're always improving. They've always got new promotions, Shield 500s, all of these things.
They know exactly how to take care of them.
Yeah.
And that's the best part of it.
We've had an amazing experience with them.
So do you guys like treat like live events and all?
Yes, we do. So NFP, CPI, PPI, PMI, and FOMC is done live. Those are your your news events. So yes, we do, and we do day live trading.
Day live trading.
Yeah. So every morning, Zishon will go live with the community, or he'll stream it.
And from there, what I'll do is just share live insights, sometimes free education, just to assist the fellow community members.
You have like a YouTube channel where you streaming your thing.
Yes, however, we are implementing Instagram lives and TikTok lives.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing.
But we're on all the handles. We've got our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. We're on all X. So we've got quite a big social media presence. But also internally, if we do it, we'll do it on Telegram with our community. But as soon as we want to expose that, then we use one of our social media handles and go live on that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So like if I would like to ask, let's say, what is your most if you need to advise your audience, the most difficult part that you guys encountered when you started the entire thing, especially in this trading forex? What was your worst point? Have you ever felt this is not gonna work out?
You get a lot for me in the forex industry. people want to make money and they think that it's a get rich quick scheme. So I'm going to give you 2,000 rand and then, I'm going to get the expectations out. But little do they know that there's a lot more behind it. There's a lot of psychology behind it. And psychology takes up most of, your trading, actually 90%.
Exactly.
That is why FX Cartel has an in-house psychologist. One of the only Forex companies that can actually say that we will help you. We don't help you only make money, we help you manage your losses.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that is very important and that is where we separate ourselves, in the industry. So we've got an in-house psychologist. If you're struggling, whether you're coming into the Forex space with things that you are battling in, will help you so that you get a nice smooth entrance into Forex. And also remember, it's all good when you're winning. When you're losing, you're sitting in the corner in your room and you're crying by yourself. So we win together, we lose together, but also, sometimes it can be a little bit challenging. I personally had a very bad experience where I lost a lot of money in one of my trades. I held it, I was overseas, I was holding a trade for about 2 weeks. I lost a lot of money. And the person that it brought out in me was very horrible, very negative. Definitely not me. So I said that, listen, I need to have, this is one of the key components of this industry, and we need to have to help one deal with it. It took me about a month. Yes, not everyone's so fortunate to kick back as fast as I did. Because I'm a strong-minded person, and it wasn't my last money that I needed to pay for my rent and stuff because I'm I own multiple businesses.
So you're saying you had like a backup because
100%.
If with me, I remember when I was still in varsity. So I used to use my NEFSAS
varsity fees.
Yeah, I used to use the NEFSAS thing. So back then they never give you like cash.
Yeah.
So you need to take your NEFSAS thing and then go and change and then ask for you see like maybe old ladies and then you're like, no, let me swipe for groceries, I'll give you discount and they give you cash, take that money, you fund the account. You lose that money same day.
God.
But there was a time where I even had to find a part-time job, like I had to work at like McDonald's in Pretoria CBD.
Yeah.
I go to class and then I come back, I strategize just to get funds and then just to fund an account.
Yeah. So that was, I took something out of that lesson and I said that, listen, I suffered for a whole month. It was difficult getting back into it. So someone that's desperate or that use their rent money or their car payment money or their tutor fees like you, how do they deal with it? So hence why we have this. It's a free service. You book a session. And I'm not qualified in that space. I'm not qualified in that space. So book a session with our psychologist Teresa, and she helps you through that. So hence why I said as well, and the reason why we open spaces like this is there's a lot of scammers in the industry. There's no transparency. A lot of guys are hiding behind green screens and, they just have a social media presence. But you cannot speak to that person. You get in touch with their admins or you get in touch with their robots. Here I sit in the back office. You've got an open door transparency. You can walk in here at any time. You want to see Sham or one of the providers analyzing markets. We've got 4 of them at the back here. That's sitting all day analyzing. Come and meet Zishon. Come and get a good experience from onboarding your clients. We onboard them at the front desk. If you need help, that's a HFM desk. There. You get all your assistance that you need there. You get the trading, and you get to relax and connect with people. So so that's why we opened something like this, and then also we wanted our voice to be heard, so we associated our podcast to it, and we get the right voices heard in the industry, not just creators and mentors. Not mentors. What's that? What do you call them? Influencers.
There we go.
Influencers. Yeah. So you based in Pretoria. Maybe you want to tell the viewers, maybe someone wants to reach out to you, your company name. How do they get hold of you?
Yes, we're based in Pretoria, so our office is in Arcadia.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if you want to have you can just book in. You go to www.pipsempire.com. And then you book in if you want to have live trading session or trading news event as well, because we also transparent.
Yeah.
We need you just come and then fund your account and then trade with us live.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
That's it. What's the success rate of the bot? What's the win rate on it?
It's 79%.
79% per trade or annually?
No, annually, as in total, as in. Let me see. I can't say annual, but monthly. That's where you must just get something.
Yeah.
When we backtest, we're not calculating the winning rate accordingly as in monthly or per trade. No, it just calculates with according to an overall of your account.
Yeah.
Let's say with your balance. Yeah, it's gonna use the balance.
Yeah. So if I had to put in an investment, what return will I get on my investment?
No, you're gonna get about 30 to 50%. That's it.
Per month or annually?
Per month.
Per month.
Yes.
Okay. Of the balance.
Yes.
Okay.
And then there are months as well. Maybe it's gonna be a bad month, but not blowing your account.
Yeah.
That's the good part about it.
Okay.
So I know it sucks because maybe you might expect something this month, but maybe you still on a drawdown. But then it's the graph. It's meant that sometimes you'll have a drawdown, then you come back. It's more of owning a business. There are those bad months where
of course
you're not getting.
That is trading actually, and if you don't treat trading like a business, I think you're wasting your time.
Yes.
Yes.
I think even I once had my bot. It was reviewed by Rydal Flix. I'm not sure if you know him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he did, and also is it Rolio Jack?
Okay.
Yeah, also him, I think he tried my signal group and also the robot. Those guys, they still have the reviews as well of everything, yeah.
I'm just trying to understand it. That's why I asked the question. Is it more like an investment bot or is it a trading bot that's giving you a monthly return? Because after blowing that sum of money, I don't trade. I see that Forex trading is not what people portray it to be something, but it shouldn't be that way. So now I'm more of an investment trader. If I've got an investment in my trading account, I want to see a return on my investment that like I would have in the bank. So I want to see an annual return.
Yes, you can have, because with us as well, before you can start actually, you are even allowed to tell us, listen, I have the $100 account. Can you please do a back test for me and then give me a result? Then we give you a live report with put an actual thing that has been back tested as well.
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, nice.
Another thing, do you provide for example past results so people can see beforehand before the bot?
Yes.
Awesome. And that is what a lot of, based on our previous podcast, that is one of the things that can actually differentiate between influencers and actual traders.
100%.
Because not a lot of people or influencers, to be honest, can actually show stats on black and white.
Yeah. They're all about just the blue
But not only
screens.
on black and white, even on the website, you put it there on what's this? On, you see MQL5, there's where you plug your MT5 and then it shows your trading history and how long you've been started. We have that on the website.
So that's where all the
but
the
that's like our account separate, but you
Yeah.
plug the port and then you just check.
No, nice, man. So it was very nice chatting to you. If there's one thing that you would want to tell the viewers, what would you say?
No, I'll just tell them, you must not give up, guys. Sometimes there will be some obstacles and then you will get tested, of course. I don't know, maybe God he works like that. You want to see how badly you want something because, bro, you lose friends, you lose family. Like when you're pursuing something that's actually really meant to be yours, you're going to lose a lot. But don't be scared of that because you're going to transform, then you're going to come back as a different person.
I guess there was always a stigma. You never wanted to tell anyone I do Forex trading.
I don't. Just only maybe from my cast, they just know. Or maybe sometimes you'll just drive around and it's like, oh, yeah, they're forex guys. I think people now they can just see the forex guy.
Yeah. So you never wanted to tell because there's a stigma behind it.
Exactly.
Like you're wasting your time. People don't really know that it actually really does.
No, you just
work.
keep. That's why, like, you don't even need to convince someone saying, "Hey, let's start forex." No.
Yeah.
Hence, I told you.
Yeah.
If you're making money, you're not gonna make noise. You're just gonna keep quiet.
Mm.
But if someone comes and approaches you nicely and say, "No, listen, I know that you're doing forex. I need help. How are you doing it?"
Yeah.
And then you'll get this one who's gonna come and say, this forex thing is a scam. Now he wants you to convince him.
Yeah.
So you're like, yeah, it's fine. It's a scam. Sharp.
Yeah. But do you find that because you only have the robot, that people lack the education, and with the robot, I find that you're not picking up a skill.
No.
It's just about making money.
Before we can, sorry about it. Before we integrated to a bot, I started with an indicator. It was there on TradeView.
Okay.
That was like our indicator. Like it shows you when to like potential buys and potential sells, and then like a stop loss. The only thing maybe that it's gonna be difficult. It's like if you knew and then you know nothing about forex. Like I can't teach you how to execute a trade. Like press a buy, press a sell. No, that thing is gonna pop up on your screen and say buy, maybe buy 11. It's here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It's there on the website. That's like we still have that service, but most of our clients they prefer like they don't know now like wake up and work so hard and do all of that hard work because they have their economical activities and some they need to run like some errands.
Yeah.
So with the bot, you just wake up, you're done. Or today, money in. Or today, I lost this much. That's it. But with the thing, maybe it can help other traders for sure. Maybe you can even learn the strategy if you're smart, if you have the indicator. Take some time, check how's the algorithm going, and then
Okay.
Just
but you don't actually share that skill. You don't teach it.
I won't share it because that's like it's like my own asset, like a private property thing.
Yeah.
But even if it's there, the bot it's more advanced than the indicator because on the bot you need to talk with your program and then say no, I wanna adjust this, add this and this and this and this and this and this.
Yeah. You see, for me, like, and I'll tell you why I went with the education part of it is because in the beginning when I started, I didn't understand why I was buying and why I was selling. Signal providers or the signal groups would say buy, I blow. Tomorrow they say, they had a winning trade. That mentor. They say sell, I sell, blow the accounts. I was hungry for the information to understand why am I buying, why am I selling. I wanted to know why. And so we found that it was important, and that is why we've gone to that skill development. We want to educate you so that you understand why So our strategy, you can manually trade it, so that and you get mentored with it, so that you understand, why I'm buying and why am I selling. What was the reasons why I'm taking a buy or a sell or a short or a long. Yeah. And then if you don't have the time to actually manually trade it, then you plug it into the bot.
So with us, our service is not for everyone.
Yeah.
If you don't know anything about forex, we recommend maybe they can just come to you, start with you guys, and then you offer them that service. As we want you, like you must know when to
what
buy.
you're in for.
Like you must know. We don't want someone.
So do you manually buy? No, does it automatically?
No, it does it automatically.
Automatically, yeah. So we had a guy now that's got a bot that's never lost a trade.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Very interesting. Also was with HFM. It's never lost. It's funded one account. There's still a trade running on that bot from 1 year, 8 months. Still running till today.
1 year, 8 months.
1 year, 8 months.
What trade is that?
So it trades currencies, multiple. So it's a hedging bot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, like
yeah.
Yes.
So it was very interesting to see that, and he's got the stats.
Yeah, there's a lot of good guys out there. We're just quiet. They don't make noise.
Yeah, 100%. But anyway, it was very nice having you on. And hopefully we can do a
Yeah.
part 2. With
Yeah,
the
we
look-
can do it, but we actually like. I want us to maybe, if we're doing like some live events, maybe we can just discuss
Stream
about
it.
Yeah, we can just stream it together. But I'll be in my office, obviously.
Yeah.
You guys
Awesome
maybe decide, and then we just stream, and then we share some results. And
No, 100%. Yeah, we can have a chat about it.
Yeah.
And then we can see what we can do.
Yeah.
100%.
Ah,
Thank you
thanks.
so much, Paul.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, guys.
Sure, sure.
And stay tuned for the next episode.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.